Hello folks, we come to the part 6 of the miscellaneous exercise 5 and we have finished the 13th problem. Now we come to the 14th one. They tell us this expression, they give us this expression in the 14th problem, x minus iy into 3 plus 5y is the conjugate of this. So let's see how that can be worked out. Conjugate of this will be minus 6 plus 24i, and let's try to expand this and see what comes. 3x plus 5xi, and if you could expand this, minus 3iy minus 5i squared y when we expand it. And what happens? Let's club the like terms. These both are I terms and these both are number terms. I squared we know is minus 1. So like that, this will become 3x plus 5i plus I times 5x minus 3y is minus 6 plus 24i. What's the advantage? That you can equate real to real and imaginary to imaginary. So we could have 3x plus 5y to be equal to minus 6 and 5x minus 3y to be equal to 24. We can solve this. We have learnt number of methods of solving it. Whatever way we want, we can solve it. I think I will go in for the method of elimination. I will try to solve it like that. We will multiply this equation by 5 and we will multiply this equation by 3, and let's see what is happening. So this will become 15x here, 15x plus 25y minus 30, and 15x minus 9y equal to 24. 3 is 72, yeah. And then after having got these two equations, let's overall subtract it. So sign changes are there. Have this cut. 25 plus 9, oh that's good, 34. And both minuses, so minus sign and add up 102. Whether this is minus 102, whether it comes in the table of 34, only chances 3 because it's ending in 2. Let's just check roughly. 34 into 3, 4 3s are 12, 9, yes. Y is minus 3. So that's good. You can put it in any one of the equations and get the value of, maybe in this equation, first one, 3x, also 3x plus 5y, 5 but y is minus 3, is minus 6. So 3x minus 15 is minus 6. 3x is plus, it will go on the other side, it will become plus. So that is 9. So we get 3x as 9, x because 3 will go on the other side, it will become 3. That's how we have got both the values now. X becomes 3 and y becomes minus 3. That's what the question is all about. Find x and y. Okay, so that's about it. Normal multiplication, equating, real to real, imaginary to imaginary, good old days 10 standard, whatever, cross multiplication method, elimination method, and substitution method, whatever is convenient. Graphical, of course, we cannot do for this. I mean, it's not feasible. And find the value of x and y. That's it. That's about the question number 14. Quickly, we jump to question number 15. Find the modulus of, and they have given us all those. Like what we have done before, we reduce it in x plus iy form and then it becomes easy to find the modulus. So what we will do is, in order to do that, each part we will consider one by one. Consider first the first part, that is 1 plus I, this part, 1 plus I by 1 minus I. We know if there is a moment there is a complex number in the denominator, we are going to multiply both the numerator and denominator by its conjugate so that we can get away with that complex number. So what we are going to do is 1 plus I and 1 minus I, the conjugate of 1 minus I is 1 plus I. So that gets multiplied both in the numerator and denominator. Denominator we all know it's x squared plus y squared. So it's 1 squared plus 1 squared. And here now it is 1 plus I the whole square actually. So 1 plus I squared plus 2I. I squared but is minus 1. So this can very well cut. Okay. So we have 2I by 2, which is I. Oh God. So simple. And the next part, 1 minus I by 1 plus I, same story. Multiply and divide by its conjugate. Sorry, multiply by the conjugate both in the numerator and denominator. Same story like before. X squared plus y squared, 1 squared plus 1 squared, and then 1 minus I the whole squared. So 1 plus I squared minus 2I. But this is minus 1. So they can cut each other. Minus 2I by 2 You're left with minus I. Okay, having got these breakups, let's go to the given expression. Therefore, the given, what is it becoming? First part we got it as I, second part we got it as minus I. So what has happened? Minus of minus plus I plus I, and that is 2I. What have they asked us? Modulus. Modulus, that means this is like writing 0 plus 2I. So x, y. So what's the modulus? X squared plus y squared. 0 squared plus 2 squared. That's 4. Root of 4, sorry. 2. So what are we getting the modulus as? That's it. 2. Yeah. So that is about our problem 14 and 15. Part 6 is over. The next problem in the new video. Thank you.